Today I gonna show you a tutorial how to make Selfbot. The first, if you want make a Selfbot, you must have this script. You can download it on my GitHub. Just open your browser, then type https://github.com/rcibi/selfbot. If you're done with the download, now download Python 3. Open your browser, and type https://python.org/downloads. Then tap this button. If the download done, install it. If you're done with Python 3, now download git command. Search this. And click this, and this. Then install it. Now open your git command. Type cd download/selfbot. And type this. Wait for the link. And copy this link. Paste the link. Click login. That is my tutorial today. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.